welcome to this short video review about the Rubbermaid Roughneck trash bin. That's the 45 gallons, 170 liters, and that's my review after the first 3 or 4 months. I think we bought it in April, now we are in August, and we have been using this not as a main trash bin but just on the side of our main trash bin, like this super large blue one which we are renting from the trash bin company. So this is not filled and emptied every time, but maybe on average every other time. So what's my experience with that? You can see I think it's still in pretty good condition. There are no major damages to see, and sometimes it's very heavy, and of course the dumpster guys, they are really rough. They don't really care about this stuff here. They just take it and empty it and then put it back somehow to the curb. So what's my major issue here? Of course it looks a little bit dented, but really not too much. The big problem here is actually the lid. You can see when we open that, so usually it holds here with these two connections, these joints here. Yeah, I think it's time to turn around the camera. You can also see it inside, also inside looking still very good. The big problem again, that's these joints here, because the lid is just attached here, and when you pull this out a little bit, which seemed to happen every time when they empty it, the lid will fall off, and that happens a lot of times. So that's usually how I find this after the trash bin has been emptied. They just put it here inside or put it outside here because it has been falling off. That's my major complaint. Would have been really nice to have a better construction here. I don't know how this would be possible. I mean, we can easily just put it back, there's no problem, but next time it will fall off again. And so I've decided to secure it or connect it here a little bit to the handlebar. And so what I'm doing, I'm cutting 2 holes in this area. So I would say I'm doing that here, not here in this area because I can't secure it here. I'm doing it here. Yeah, something like that. Let's see how this is going to turn out. So I'm just cutting a hole here. And same thing on this side. Put the mess here right inside. I think like that it shouldn't interfere too much with the waterproofness. And so I'm going to use zip ties here. I push this through around here and secure it. Something like that. The problem, of course, is that it can always be tightened more, but it cannot be untightened anymore. So if for some reason this gets more tight, I can't untighten this anymore. Maybe on the long run I will use a wire or something else. Let me add the second one here. Similar thing, not too tight, not too loose. So let's see if I can still open close. Yeah, seems to work really nice here. And if for some reason it gets detached, let's see how this works here. Yeah, maybe it's already too short. Maybe I have to do it again, keep the zip ties a little bit longer. But in general, we have now a decent connection here, which will prevent that this thing will fall into the dumpster truck and then we lose it, and then we have to buy a new garbage bin, because I think it can last for a pretty long time. Most of it seems to be really stable. That's my only complaint. That's the thing which I recommend to improve. Also the wheels down here, they seem to be really nice. I had another trash bin, a similar one, which I had from my landlord, and the wheels have been falling off, but I had to glue them to the axle, and after that it worked as well. I don't know if this will happen here as well, but for the moment I didn't have any problem with the wheels. So overall I would say nice one, but you have to improve this connection here, secure it a little bit more. After that it can work really reliable. And if you're interested to buy, I think at the moment Walmart has the best price to buy it. So if you're interested, check out the link down in the description of the video so you can click on it and buy one directly for you. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions for the connection here, or if you have a better suggestion for a similar size trash bin, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.